Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the moving average speed indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the moving average speed indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 27 different strategies, with 6 of them being winners. We have also tested a total of 398 indicators, with 162 of them being winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 162 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Okay, so today's indicator is the moving average speed indicator, and you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. Basically what we have is a moving average oscillating line here, and then we have a zero line here. It's this black line right here, kind of running through the middle. And basically when the moving average or the oscillating line is above the zero, when it breaks up above and turns green, we're going to go long. When it breaks down below and it goes red, we are going to go short. So a pretty simple setup, not much to it, similar to many other indicators that we have tested. All right, so we pick up the first signal right there. If you look over here at the coordinates here, you can see when the oscillating line is green, the coordinate numbers show up as green. When it is red, then they show up as red. And so you can hover over and see that on this candle, the oscillating line was green, and then on this one right here, it actually switches to red. It's a little deceiving because you can see that the red kind of starts well above the zero line, and so you got to be mindful of where it actually turns, on what candle it turns. And so it is on this one. It's a short signal, and we get to take profit pretty nicely on that one. Not too bad at all. Over here on this side, we get a green for just a moment right there, but almost immediately flipped back to red. And then over here, get stopped out with another green and back to red, then another green, and then another red right there. Looks like we're about to hit the green again. We did. And so right here, we get stopped out on that short for a long, but very quickly it flips back to the downside red, and then finally green, and a winning trade there, a winning signal. So now don't count it out yet. We'll see. It's very early to tell. Still got plenty of time for this to catch up. All right, right there we pick up a short, and that is also going to be another winner there. Play it forward here a little bit more. We flip to green there, but that one's going to get stopped out as we flip back to red right there, but that one does get us to take profit rather nicely right there. Go ahead and continue forth with it here. Now, all right, so we pick up a long right there. I don't think we've gotten stopped out quite yet. Yep, actually we did. Take that back. So that one does get a stop back on a pullback that happens right as the color switched. Then we get a short right there. Flipped back to a green right there on that one. Looks like it stays green for a while, and does look like it got us to take profit. Yep, it did. Then over here we get a short, and that one does pretty nicely as well. And then that puts us at the end of the year there. So before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to the Discord. Once you sign up for the Patreon, it will give you access to the Discord channel, where we are posting some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading philosophies, trading indicators, the whole deal. Really great stuff. Our admin Jay has also put together a rather lengthy list of winning indicators for the MT platform. So if you use the MT platforms quite a bit, that would be a very handy list for you to have. Our admins and regular members are also posting regular, almost everyday trade analysis, where they're putting up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly where they're entering and exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And lastly, one new thing I've been doing is I've put together an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. And so that shows exactly which ones were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those videos. So you'll get that, as well as the full list of indicators that we have tested. And that shows exactly which ones are winners and which ones are losers, and their win rates also. So a lot of great benefits to becoming a patron, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. So I highly recommend it. All right, back to the indicator here. Let's go ahead and get this in focus here. There to there. Let's count these out and see what we get. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So we have 17 trades altogether And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 winning trades. So that is not going to meet the 60% criteria. And so this indicator kind of falls victim to the same problem that we have when we use a single line for a baseline, a single line indicator for a baseline, or a single line indicator that interacts with price action. And that is, if you don't give it a little bit of room, then what happens is you get these areas right here of consolidation where you get pinballed in and out of trades, literally one candle after another. And that really eats up the win rate and costs you a lot of trades. And so if this, if there was a buffer, say at the negative 0.0010 and then the 0.0010 or whatever, something like that, maybe this would work a little bit better. But for now, it's going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.